I am Shazin. So we are going to see exchange rate of the currency, this X variable in the national income. And exchange rate, first thing I have to say, say about the syllabus. In your syllabus, most of the time I already told this, macroeconomic environment also very less. They not consider the full knowledge from you. Most of the time business knowledge we need. Business environment is very important. Even though 5 marks in the syllabus, that is important. And the management functions, 4 functions there, right? 4 functions important, 20 marks, right? Management itself, organization culture and management management functions having the itself 10 marks, right? 10 marks or 15 marks, that is important. With that you can score 50 marks, right? 20 marks, that is 15 marks, 35 marks, first subject 5 marks, business environment 10 marks, 15 marks, 35 marks in 50 marks. Macroeconomic environments were less part, right? Exchange rate is the rate which the country's currency can be traded in exchange for another country's currency. This is the definition, right? Dealer in foreign exchange make their profit by buying and currency at one exchange rate and selling at different rate. This means that there is a selling rate and buying rate for currency. Most of the time, in banks you can see $1 they are putting like this, 191. It means what? One is buying rate, one is selling rate. So which one is, if you are going to buy from the bank, how much you will give? Under 90 rupees or under 91, right? Under 91, right? Because always think, always keep your mind, always public get loss, always bank will win the profit. If you bank want to buy from you, bank will give the under 90 rupees. So what will the profit then? 1 rupee profit made by bank. Bank also one of the dealer, exchange dealer. Exchange dealer always getting profit. Public will not get the profit. Public can be get the profit like this. Under 91 rupees I am buying. After 2 months it may become like this, under 92 and under 93. So if you want to sell, bank will give under 92 rupees, so you will make a 1 rupee profit. If you want to buy under 93, you have to again buy it under 93. That's how we can make the profit. Always keep your mind, always bank will win the profit. This is buying rate, selling rate. So which one is buying rate? This one is buying rate or this one is buying rate? Always see from the point of the bank, point of the dealer. Dealer buying rate, dealer selling rate. So dealer buying rate is under 90, under 90. Dealer going to buy from us. So dealer buying from us. So dealer buying rate will be under 90. This is buying rate, right? This is selling rate. In your exam, maybe asked, right? Keep your mind. So consequence of exchange rate policy, reason for policy for controlling the exchange rate, rectify balance of trade deficit by trying to bring about trade deficit, this balance of payment account and the this exchange rate of the mostly very connected behavior characteristics. One side, if you do like upon once we did any changes in exchange rate, it will be impact to our current accounts, right? Everything I have given here. So explanation already given. Exchange rate system removes the exchange rate uncertainty and so encourages international trade. Fixed rate system also imposes economic discipline, right? There are inevitable some loss, right? So everything has been explained. Next, money and financial market. It's very important topic. Money market is a term that covers a vast array of markets buying and selling different form of money and marketable security. The money market are wholesale market that provides a financial institution with the means of borrowing and investing to deal with the short-term fluctuation in their own asset and the liability. Marketable security or short-term highly liquid investment that are readily convertible into cash. Companies might use them to invest short-term surplus finance. These are treasury bills and treasury treasury bills, treasury bonds. Those are sold at the banks, right? Banks taking from the central bank, and we can buy from the banks. There are banks there, we can directly buy from the central bank. There are dealers there. Dealers will be a commercial banks, right? The main trader in the money markets are bank, right? Government and local authority plus broker and the other intermediate. That is money market. Money market, we can buy the security and invest there, right? We will have the interest, right? Then there are a variety of different financial instruments that are traded in money market. Deposit, saving deposit and a fixed deposit. Then treasury security given by the public department, right? And to raise the funds to central bank. Then bonds, which are debenture and the loans of companies quoted on a stock exchange. Rates fluctuation with rates. And then commercial papers are the short term loans. It's issued by the treasury security, and treasury bonds are not issued by the companies, right? But companies bonds and commercial papers can be issued by the companies, right? Private companies. Then capital market provides source of funds for business, mostly companies, and exit route for investor. Capital market, the national and international market in which the business may obtain a finance it needs for short and long term plans. There is no single capital market. There are many ways in which business can access finance. So money market is that. Money market is we have to give the money and buy the security. But in a financial market, we don't need to give the security and buy the money. We just borrowing the money. We have to find the borrowing loans, right? There are different type of shares given, right? Raising new loans, business finance individual receiving the security in the form of shares or bonds, right? Equity or loans. I already told this. We have the two capital, equity capital and the loan capital, debt capital. Equity capital will be issuing the shares. Loan capital will be issuing the preference shares or loan, stock, debenture, those things. So this definition you will definitely know in other subjects also. Equity represents the ordinary shares in the business. Equity shareholders are the owner of the business, and they are voting right, exercise ultimate control. Preference share form of the part risking the bare ownership of the business, but since they are entitled to their dividends before ordinary shareholder, they carry less risk. Right? If you invest in the preference share, you will definitely pay the profit, dividends. And also cumulative preference shares, they are non-cumulative preference shares. Even though your company making the loss, you will be given the profit, your portion of profit in this year, in next year, right? Preference shares are given like a interest rate, 10% of preference share. So 10% your preference shares value will be your profit. If profit is not made in this year, it will be accumulated in the next year, and next year you will be get the 20% profit. It means 10% of the profit on 10% of profit on the next year, and again 10% profit on the next year. Right? So 20% altogether. The loan, stock and debenture are typically fixed interest rate borrowing with a set repayment date. Most are secured on specific asset or asset in general, such that lenders are protected. If I give to loan to company, will I give loan without taking anything? I will take a deed of the company's place, and I will give the loan. After repayment of the loan and interest, I will return back the deed. So guarantee also given sometime in the loan. Right? So it's a question is given, so answer is already in the our notes, right? Find the answer, right? Summarize the main objective of macroeconomic policies and mixed economy, right? They are in the answer is there. You just try to answer and find out the answer in the our note, right? Explain how fiscal policy can be used to achieve this objective, right? So with that this subject is finished, I think, right? Thank you and good luck.